problem. In this problem we also have to use some techniques. Solution of this problem. Okay, if we change numerator and denominator, the power will be negative. Limit x tends to infinity. Okay, if we write in this way, 1 plus x upon x, here we will have a negative inverse power. Okay, here we will have a inverse power. Minus 1 by x, that's minus x. Okay, so we will have limit x tends to infinity. Okay, we can write in this way, 1, it is 1 upon x and it is x upon x is 1 plus 1 upon x. Okay, here x and whole power minus 1. We have taken this minus to whole minus 1. Okay, applying limit, we know well this is equal to e power minus 1, this becomes 1 upon e. Answer. Okay, solving the question 4. In question 4 we have to, if we apply direct limit, y tends to x minus x becomes infinity, 0 upon 0 form, indeterminate form. So we make it setting, here square, here we have square. Make first of all difference of two squares. Okay, then we have to solve this as well. Okay, decompose this as well. Limit y tends to x, we have y 1 upon 3 minus y 1 upon 3 and y 1 upon 3 plus y power x power 1 upon 3 x power 1 upon 3. Divide y minus x. Okay, so use cubic formula on them, on these two, this bracket. We have to find here term like this, so that they must be cancelled. Limit y tends to x, y power 1 upon 3 minus y power x power 1 upon 3, y power 1 upon 3 plus x power 1 upon 3, divide by y 1 upon 3, x power 1 upon 3, y making its square, y to power 3 plus x power 1 upon 3, y power 1 upon 3 plus x 2 upon 3. Now these both has been cancelled. Applying limit now. Apply limit. At the place of x we substitute at the place of y we will substitute x. So this becomes x1 upon 3, x1 upon 3, and this becomes y 2 upon 3, x power 2 upon 3, x power 2 upon 3, multiplying both, and x power 2 upon 3. So these becomes 2, 1 this one, 1 this one. Applying limit we have 2x power 1 upon 3 upon 3x power 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 3 times. Okay, so we have 2 upon 3, it comes, okay, when we subtract them, subtract this x power 1 upon 3 from 2 upon 3, we have, or this one making their difference, we have 2 upon 3 x power minus 1 upon 3. This is answer. Okay, in our next lecture we will discuss about left hand and right hand.